Republic Act number 11032. So it makes it easier for the stakeholders to conduct businesses through GCash payment for some who don't use cash or don't bring enough cash, especially if it's big amounts. So the barangay, St. Ignatius, is partnering with G Exchange so to allow us to be a bailer in conducting businesses with our barangay.
Discussion pa rin?
Sige, sir.
Secretary mo na. Secretary, kumusta ka na? Secretary, pag gumawa tayo ng ordinansa resolution, hindi po ganito, paiksi. Ganito po ang gagamitin natin.
Folio.
Oo, bakit to nagkaganon?
Nagkaubusan po ng papel pagkatapos na po yung taon.
Ordinansa resolution, hindi po ito sulat. Kaya sabi ko, ano ba yan? At napakaisi. Pakita itong
Akala ko sa Xerox lang.
Hindi ito. Okay. Kagawad kay... our resolution authorizing to undertake an agreement with G Exchange. One subject matter. Authorizing the barangay treasurer to accept as an second subject matter. Pero ang intention nyo is authorizing the punong barangay to enter into agreement. Di ba?
Yes.
O, yun. Simplify. A resolution authorizing the barangay to enter into agreement with G Exchange Incorporated for the payment or acceptance of yun lang. Tapos na.
Okay.
Kasi matik naman yun ang barangay treasurer kagawad.
Authorized yun.
Authorized talaga siya mangongolekta.
Understood po.
Oh. The problem now, nasaan yung agreement? Yung kopya. Wala dito. Nasaan? Ayan. Dapat nandito siya. Pag when you talk about agreement, authorizing, matik po yun, bibigyan mo ng kopya ang sekretariat na ito po yung subject matter ng resolution. Paano to kagawan ngayon? Wala naman dalang kopya ng agreement. At saka yung title nito, 1 minute recess, Mr. Chair. Paano? Sec?
Yes.
Oh, what will we do with this?
Would it be possible po kaya if we submit yung attachments po nito later today po?
And then, mamaya na tayo mag-usap.
Hindi.
Ililate on the table to.
Okay lang po kaya yun?
Oo.
Or can it be a conditional approval?
Opo, conditional approval para ano.
Yun nga pong content po kasi nito is the agreement. Wala nga kaming kopya which will be the basis for our discussion.
Hindi ba re-review?
Hindi ma-review. Kaya nga, if you want this to be acted ngayon, mahaba pa naman tayo. We can provide us copy and then we will come up with the conditional just in case we have a copy of the agreement. Oh, kasi kanya niya standard procedure yan, normal procedure every time na merong mga authorization ng punong barangay enter, nandito na po kaagad yung kasi ito yung kasama namin sa review po yun eh.
Mahapon niyo po kayo?
Habang lang po natin.
May deadline na lang po kayo i-post for today po.
So to be po before the end of this
Before the end, tama po ba yung pagkakarinig namin? 2 p.m. po kayo
Hindi po, sinabi ko lang po yun.
Alright.
Pag na-dispose na po yan, tapos na.
Alright, sige po.
Isa lang ba ito?
Alin po?
Isa lang?
Isa lang po.
O, may time ka pa.
Sige po.
Kasi, naka-receive ba tayo?
Mail na lang instead yung
Oh.
copy sa...
Ito naman po, magpiprint out. Ito, ano, ha?
Alright.
Di ba yun, magre-recess naman ako na 1 hour. With that, resume. Resume, Mr. Chair, I move that we laid on the table the resolution number 46 of Barangay St. Ignatius.
Second.
Because you know, seconded that barangay resolution number 46 of barangay St. Ignatius be laid on the table.
So, kagawad, ganun muna ha. Wait for that. Ano?
Eh, pwede na pa mag-wait dito, sir.
Okay. Sige. Next po.